Start by finding a comfortable position, lying on your back. You can place a pillow underneath your head or neck. You might want to place a pillow underneath your knees for a little low back support. And just feel your body, acknowledge where you're at. Maybe take a moment to say out loud whatever it is that you're feeling, whatever emotions are sitting in your body. Notice any areas of stress, of tension in the physical body. Take a moment to just acknowledge all the thoughts that you're experiencing. Notice all the movements of the mind. Take a moment to just physically acknowledge our body. So finding both your hands, drawing the fingertips into the pads of the hands, creating fists with both hands, squeezing tight. I want you to lift both arms off of the floor. Keep everything really strong. Bring the fists together or towards each other. Squeeze everything in and exhale, release everything down. Let the fingertips slowly open. Let the arms sink heavy into the floor. Finding your feet, flexing the toes towards the knees, pressing through the heels. Engage the calves, engage your quads. To go a little deeper, you can lift your heels a couple inches off of the floor, pressing the low back into the ground, engaging the core muscles. We'll stay here for a breath. With your exhale, release. Let your feet just fall apart from each other. Finding the eyelids and squeezing the eyes together, maybe puckering the lips, creating wrinkles in the forehead. Feel your body, feel your face, feel all the muscles. Find an exhale, maybe open the mouth and let out a sigh. So in this meditation, we'll be just focusing on letting go, focusing on clearing, on cleansing, bringing some healing energy into the body so that we may find relaxation. And it's okay to be aware, to notice any nagging thoughts, any distractions throughout the practice. Just come back to where we're at. The breath is soft, so there's no need to concentrate on how you're breathing, how deep your breath is, how long your breath is. Let your body just continue to breathe on its own. Imagine yourself walking on a trail. Maybe hear the crackling of leaves or sticks. Maybe you can feel rocks. Maybe your trail is wooded. Maybe there's a river or a lake. Maybe there's flowers. Feel the sun, feel the breeze, feel the air touching your skin. Notice any sounds, notice any smells. Put yourself on this trail. From a distance, you hear water running. It starts to be a little bit louder, a little bit faster. As you're walking down your trail, you begin to see a waterfall. You can feel the mist, feel the coolness of the water, hear the sounds of the water rushing over the hillside. You step one foot onto a big rock to boost yourself up, and then another, until you finally are at the base of the waterfall. You stick your hand underneath, and you notice that this waterfall is really a waterfall of white light. And as you put your hand underneath this waterfall, you can see that the light is going through your hand, through your skin, and into your body. You decide to step underneath this waterfall, letting the light just bathe your body. Let the light run down your head and all around your body. And then you begin to notice the light going in through the center of your head, slowly working its way behind your eyes, around your brain, through your sinuses, down the edges of the face, and just notice anywhere where the light kind of stops or maybe is blocked. Focus on that area for a little bit longer, letting the light completely renew every cell of your head right now. This light then flows down the throat, slowly working into the chest, slowly going through and around the lungs and the heart. And again, just letting this light slowly run from the crown of the head and going down your body. The breath is soft. Welcome in any healing. Welcome in this gift. Taking your time, checking back in, crown of the head. The light can go a little faster now that it's cleansed and cleaned and renewed. The upper part of our body. Slowly letting this light work through the entire body, every part of your physical being, every cell, any stress, any disease being washed away by this light. Eventually, allowing the light to go through the arms and radiate out each fingertip. If you lose focus, back to the crown of the head. Let the light flow a little faster through the areas you've worked on, eventually taking them through the torso, noticing stomach, intestines, kidneys, liver, noticing the spine, letting this entire light fill your being. Eventually letting this light come through the crown of the head, through the arms, out the fingertips, down the torso, down the legs, through the heels, through the toes. Let this light just flow through the feet, filling your entire being with light. After you have filled your entire being, we'll start with the feet and just kind of closing off each toe individually. Close off the sole of the foot, the heel, trapping that light inside. Coming up the body, coming to each fingertip, closing each fingertip. Working your way up the spine and coming to the very crown of the head and closing the crown of the head. Being aware of the light that's shining in you. Stand for another moment underneath this waterfall and let it cleanse us from the outside as well. Take a moment, acknowledge the waterfall of healing light. Give your thanks. And know that it is always there to come back to. Take a moment, slowly bring your awareness back to your physical body. Take a deep breath. Find a little movement. Maybe wiggle your fingers, your toes. Rotate your feet, your ankles, your wrists, your hands. Maybe sweep the arms up above your head, bringing a full stretch into the torso. And take your time, give yourself permission to experience anything it is that you're feeling, anything that you're noticing. just begin to blink the eyes open, welcoming in this space